In the year 2030, I opened my eyes to a world swallowed by silence. A world where cities stood frozen in time as if humanity had vanished in a single heartbeat. The air was heavy, the sky tinted with a strange metallic glow, and the streets were littered with abandoned cars, flickering holograms, and the echoes of a civilization that no longer breathed. At first I believed it was just a nightmare, but as I walked through empty skyscrapers, deserted highways, and collapsed digital billboards still displaying warnings of an unknown threat, I realized the brutal truth. I had survived alone on Earth. The only signs of life came from malfunctioning AI drones drifting through the sky, broadcasting broken emergency messages that hinted at a catastrophic event too massive to comprehend. As days turned into nights, I discovered remnants of encrypted transmissions, lost human footprints, and hidden underground bunkers wiped clean as if someone or something had removed every trace of the world before. My search for answers led me across ruined megacities, bioengineered forests overtaking steel structures, and massive silent machines whose purpose died with their creators. Every step forward revealed that this apocalypse wasn't natural. It was engineered. And the more I uncovered, the more I understood that I wasn't just surviving, I was being watched. Yet in the heart of this emptiness, a single message kept appearing on fractured screens. Humanity can still be reborn. And now, standing at the edge of the last surviving tower overlooking the broken earth, I know my journey has only begun. This is my story, this is the future we feared. And this is the world we must understand before it's too late. Welcome to Futurescape.